My name is Dr. Bernard Mogesa. I'm the Chief Executive Officer, Kenya National Commission on Human Rights. This week, the Commission has deployed officers across the country in a number of prison facilities, just doing the normal prison monitoring exercise. This is part of the Commission's mandate, and today we are in the Kisii prison. We've had an opportunity of meeting with the officers in the facility, and we've looked at a number of aspects guided by what is known as the Mandela rules, generally looking at the welfare of the prisoners in terms of the accommodation, in terms of food, in terms of health facilities, and we also look at the welfare of the officers as well. So in general, we are satisfied. The facility is quite clean. We have recommended and commended the officers for the levels of cleanliness that we have observed today and the measures they have taken to ensure compliance with the Mandela rules which govern the international standards on the prisons. And of course, once we do our report, we'll get in touch with the prison authorities in Nairobi. Any policy recommendations, we are going to make them available for consideration at the national level.
Dr. Raymond Yeris, I'm the Vice Chairperson, Kenya National Commission on Human Rights. We've been in this region monitoring the compliance of the Mandela rules, and currently we are in Kisii and hoping to go to Nyamira prison, Homa Bay and Migori. And we are glad that there's a lot of reforms that has taken place in the Kenya Prison Service. Of great concern is the manner in which the prisoners are being handled. And as a commission, we can say with confidence that the leadership of the Kenya Prison Service, especially in Kisii prison, have done their best, and we want to commend them to continue with that same leadership so that the rights of the prisoners and the rights of the staff also can be promoted. The issues concerning the welfare of children, we press on them to ensure that the best interest of the child while in prison is upheld, so that children with their parents who are prisoners can ensure and enjoy their rights while they are prisoner. But we emphasize that the best interests of the children must be upheld even when they are in prison with their parents. And that's something we will ensure we discuss. If there is need for policy change, we will ensure that the Commission will be part of the team that will ensure that reform is put in place.
Of course, the Commission champions the right to life, and any criminal activities, of course, which threaten the right to life becomes a concern to the Commission. The Commission is monitoring very closely the recent killings, of course, in Kisii, some under very unclear circumstances. The Commission is in touch with the security agencies on the ground to ensure that any criminal activities that target the killings of citizens is brought to a halt, and any persons implicated or alleged to have participated in such activities are arrested and, of course, prosecuted within the confines of the law. So the Commission will keep an eye on this, liaise with the various government agencies to ensure that the Kisii region remains peaceful and the people can go about their businesses without any hindrances at all. So we'll keep on investigating and reaching out to those agencies I mentioned to ensure that peace prevails. There are other matters I may not want to comment about because those cases are in court. You remember the lynching of the Marani 4 widows. You remember the Commission is in court over this matter. You also remember the Bisagini, the Commission came out very strongly on this case. And we are happy of the outcome of the court decision about baby Sagini. Our prayer is that baby Sagini grows and continues to enjoy his human rights despite the status he finds himself in as a